as a company, as a biotech company, we're pretty unique in this space, because what we do is we combine different aspects of providing therapies to patients, right? So our goal is to take great science, right, and get it to the hospitals at the lowest cost possible, and make, especially in this space of cell and gene therapies, make these therapies actually available. So we've all heard, for instance, of the CAR-Ts, right, that have been approved. And it's a really exciting space, but it's still extremely expensive, right? So what we try to do is we work on one hand with the therapy providers, licensed from leading research institutes, hospitals. We develop and partner and actually combine a very wide range of automation technologies, which we combined into mobile automated units. And we have a network with hospitals, leading research institutes all over the world, where we supply these therapies. So the concept here is actually, you can think about, let's think of cell and gene therapy now as actually programming or reprogramming code, okay? Because that's what you do. You take, for instance, let's take a CAR-T, right? You take the cell from the patient and you recode the genetics of it, right? So let's think about it a little bit like programming, like software and hardware, okay? So what we're doing is we're combining the hardware and the software and providing that system to make these therapies available. And when we look at our pipeline, it's a very wide pipeline, right? We've got CAR-Ts, we have TILs, we have NK cells, dendritic cells, a very wide range of different therapies, okay? But when we talk about these therapies, it's not that they're standalone therapies. The idea is, how do we make these therapies, these different coding techniques, okay, the software, how do we put it now into the hardware and make it low cost and available to patients, right? So that's kind of the framework we work in.